If you're looking for a unique stay that's 45 minutes from New York City and 20 minutes across the river from places like Sleepy Hollow, New York, then the Hotel Nyack might be exactly what you're looking for. Join me as I take you through a walkthrough of the amenities that this unique hotel has to offer. As you can see, coming in through the front doors, those aren't your typical doors before you get to our glass doors. Coming into the lobby directly to the right is your check-in, but we're going to come to the left because I came here around the Easter time frame. There's a little seating area right here, but there also is an in-site restaurant farm which you can actually reserve outside of coming to this hotel. Now I'm bringing you this way because there's one of two ways to get to this location. One is directly through farm, and the other is the outside, coming around this way to the pool deck where you have a little bar that you could see there. Obviously, when I was here, the pool was closed, so here's a little quick peek as to what things look like, but you can see the actual size of the deck. There's a lot of seating here, and again, like I said before, farm is right there, so you could walk right from farm to the pool deck to have a seat out here, enjoy the pool, or the pool bar back there. Now, as we come down this way, I'm showing you things are kind of closed. There's a bathroom slash changing room right here, and then this is one of the two ways that you can access the gym. It is a very narrow, kind of slanty staircase up here, all with this black motif, which I don't know if I'd appreciate in the dark. But here is the actual fitness center, which is kind of separated from everything else. You don't have to come up those stairs to get here. You technically could access this from the second floor. There's a little pathway that I'm showing you right here that will bring you to this location. It's a little odd. I've never really seen a fitness center kind of pushed off to the side like that. But here we go. We're going to take a look at what they have inside here. What we can see plenty of space, lots of machinery. You've got a treadmill right there, tissues, remote for the TV, large mirrors everywhere. So again, treadmill, weight bench with a bunch of weights. You've got several different elliptical slash Peloton style machines right there. Another mirror. There's a bathroom located there, as well as several towels for your usage and things that you can wipe your hands and or disinfect the equipment with. And then that's really it. You've got plenty of space in there, but we're going to come back to the internals. And again, I said I was here during the Easter season, so they had a little photo op right there. Coming down this way, there is the front desk. We're going to kind of zip past that because I don't want to show the people at the desk. However, they did have free macarons that you could take at check-in, which is great. And here you could kind of see it from a different angle. Here is the seating area. There's a lot of places to sit here. Large wooden desk. The place by the window there actually can be segmented off as like a conference space, because that's one of the big things that this hotel does is conferences. Here's another conference space that kind of bows around to here where you could see yet another conference space, but this one has a bar in it. Now, I will say the aesthetic of this hotel is not exactly what I normally look for, but that does not mean that this is still not a good hotel for its location. So if you're looking for a unique experience, then the Hotel Nyack might be exactly what you're looking for.